taking a question on circumference of the circle using the diameter. Right? We have taken some questions already on radius. Okay, you can do it to check our previous video for that. Okay, now we have a circle has a diameter of 21 meters. What is the circumference? A diameter of 21 meters. What is the circumference? And we're given pi as 22/7. Remember the formula for calculating circumference when diameter is given? So it's just pi times diameter. Pi times diameter. Alright, and then here we are given a pi as 22/7 and the diameter as 21 meters. 21 meters, alright? And then we see that 7 can go in 21. So 7 here is 1 and in 21 is 3. Okay, so what do we have left here? 22 times 3. And 22 times 3 is 66. That's in meters. Alright, so the circumference of the circle with the diameter 21 meters is 66 meters. Thank you. Remember to follow, like, subscribe, share, and drop your comment. Thank you. Bye.